And welcome back, everybody. If you're wondering and wanting to make your Counter-Strike 2 more vibrant and colorful, in today's video we are going to guide you through some settings in order to do so. So let's get started. For that, first of all, you can head over to the video settings, and once you are in the video settings, you can go over to the resolution section and make it to its highest. Similarly, make the display mode full screen and make your refresh rate to the highest as well. You can just go ahead and do so. And then apart from that, once you have completed your video settings, you can go to the advanced video tab, and from there go to the high dynamic range section and open it up. And from there as well, you can go to the section for high dynamic range, and you can select this performance and control the range of the brightness between the brightest. You can make it brightest if you want to make it bright, and you can choose the performance as well, and this fidelity FX super resolution, you can make it to your highest as well and complete it up. Now once you adjust your game settings, you can even go ahead and adjust your NVIDIA settings. For that, right click on your desktop screen and select the option for show more options, and select the option for NVIDIA control panel and open up your NVIDIA control panel on your screen. And once you open up your control panel, once again, from here, go to your display settings and go ahead and apply the changes. You can select up your display monitor, and you can go ahead and change the brightness and everything. You can go ahead and change your color channel, your brightness, your contrast, and your gamma as well. After that, your digital vibrance and hue. You can follow it up and select up your resolution and everything. And that's it. You can also use a vibrance GUI for that if you prefer, and that should make your color more brighter and everything. For that, you can just go ahead and download this zip file, which we will be leaving in the description, which is this one right here. And you can right click on it once you find it up, and select the option to extract to all and extract it up, and open it to file location and look out for this one right here. And there we go. This should open up on your screen once again. From here, what you can do is, so you can just go ahead and select this option for auto start vibrance GUI, and you can add up the program settings here for Counter-Strike. And once you complete it up, you can apply it up all, and that should also make your Counter-Strike 2 more vibrant and colorful. So that is it, everybody. You may follow up the steps for that. Do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.